Savings and credit cooperatives is what we call Saccos. Welcome to Chiagnos. Of course, we are your number one online TV show that assists you to achieve your goals and also realize success in your business. Today we want to talk about Saccos and look at some of the benefits of joining Saccos. And as you can see, the first letter in that Sacco is S, and it stands for savings. So Sacco is an institution, one of the institutions that encourages people to deposit, to make their savings there, and through savings you are in a position to access various products. One of them include loans, and the loan is normally done in a form called multiplier. We go with the factor that if you save, for instance, 20,000 in a Sacco, we can multiply it by 4 and give you as a loan at a cheaper interest, normally on a reducing balance basis.